Hey everyone. Hello.
Hi, Manish.
Hi
Hello.
Manish. Hi Manish.
Are you
Hi
all
Manish.
able to hear me?
Hi Manish.
Hello.
Hi sir.
Hi Manish.
Hello. Can you all be on camera just the way I am on camera, please?
Yes sir.
Yeah, it's no. Hi, Manish.
Hello. Hi. Everyone, please be on camera. Everyone, please.
Hi Manish. I'll on camera after some time. Just now I reached home from office.
Okay. Okay. So, are you guys excited?
Very.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, how many of you haven't seen me on YouTube before? How many of you haven't seen me on YouTube before? Just confirming.
Seen few videos.
I didn't do it.
So, Priyanka, you have not seen me, is it?
Yeah.
That's good.
Same here, Manish.
You just haven't seen
Yeah.
it. Okay. Is there anyone else who haven't seen me on YouTube? Just asking, guys. Just asking because
Yes
I just
sir.
want to know.
I also see it sir.
No, I'm asking who haven't seen me. Is there anyone else who haven't seen me before? Just confirming, guys. Oh, others have seen me. Okay. Okay. So those of you don't know, let me give you my introduction and then slowly we can start. So before I start, I just want to confirm that my voice is audible and you all are able to see me clearly. Is it so?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Manish.
Okay. Okay. Fine, guys. So guys, those of you who don't know, my name is Manish Kumar Tiwari. I will be the teacher for this batch. You all have selected this batch called as automation testing, in which you guys are going to learn about core Java and Selenium. I will be the teacher for this particular course. This course will run for almost 80 hours, which is going to be almost for 4 months. And in this 80 hours of course, or it can also go to 85 hours, I will be teaching you 85 hours online. And that doesn't mean that your work will only be for that 85 hours, right? You will have a lot of assignments, you will have a lot of other things to submit, right? So, so you will have a lot of work in the back end, right? Because you will have to work on assignments and other stuff, right? So those of you who don't know, I'm repeating again. My name is Manish Kumar Tiwari. I'm the same person whom some of you might have seen on YouTube with a channel name called as Software Testing by MKT. And I have almost 200K subscriber on YouTube. And this is going to be my 41st batch of automation testing. So that's a small introduction from my side. And you guys want to know something more? You can ask me if any one of you want to know something about me. Anyone? Anyone? Or shall I directly start Java? You can, if you have something that you were thinking to ask me, you have a time, go ahead. Yeah, Raghu, go
Apart
ahead.
Yeah, Manish,
apart
I have a question.
Raghu, go ahead.
So, Manish, I just saw that the framework TestNG is being covered. So nowadays, most of the organization, they're expecting us to have a knowledge on Jira tool as well. So
Tell
will
me again, some companies
Jira,
are
Jira tool.
Jira.
Yeah,
Jira tool.
yeah.
Okay.
So will you be any plan of covering that? In addition.
See, frankly speaking, I mean, if you want to learn, I can provide you videos you can learn. because in automation testing, learning about Jira is of no use. But if you
Okay.
want to learn, I can provide you the videos. You guys can watch it. Absolutely
Right.
free.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, Priyanka saying something?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you, like, how do you work apart from teaching? Like, what else you do? You work, or how many years of experience you have?
Okay. Okay. So I have total of 8 years of experience now, and I have left my job of working as a tester now.
Mhm.
From last 1.5 years, I'm a full-time teacher now, and I will be taking almost 6 batches in a day. So it starts from morning 7 a.m., then 8 a.m., and till 9:30 morning I teach from 7, and evening I teach from almost 6 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. And in middle, I go to my office called as Grotechminds, and I manage that.
Okay, great.
Anyone else wants to know anything about me before we start? Any question you guys have? Feel free to ask me, because you will not have any other time to ask me the same questions. Just asking.
I
Yeah.
Hi,
yes, I
Manish.
have a question.
Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
go
Ask me.
ahead.
Uh,
You can go ahead.
so I am basically from 38 batch, and I was not able to, cope up with that because I had other things to do, like in my office timing, it was not matching. So I joined here. Manish, I just want to know that whatever videos you will provide here, I can join from 9 to 10 p.m. classes here, but from your team, they have said that I have to access the previous videos.
Hmm.
So in that case, it will not be an issue that if I follow the previous videos, because all the chapters will be same, right? And it will be also mentioned as per the name only, is it?
Not 100%. Some videos name can change. Some topics can go here and there, but at the end of the day, 95% of the content will remain same. 95%. 5% changes are possible.
Okay, and what about the assignments? Like, how can I, should I follow the previous assignment sheets, or I will get the new assignment sheets that you will provide in this batch?
Now follow new. Follow new. I mean, if
Sorry.
you're comfortable,
Oh,
Priyanka.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, Margi. Am I pronouncing it right?
Yes, it's correct.
Ask
Margi
me.
basically means traveler.
Okay.
So basically, I had to ask you, it's for you only, not just with regards to the class. I had to ask you, like, since you mentioned that you have overall experience of 8 years, so
Hmm.
when this Grotech Minds was a startup, or like uh, when you were starting this out, had you quit your job, or first you started out and slowly then you moved to this teaching space?
See, I'm not teaching from last 1.5 years. I'm teaching from 2016. So
Okay.
what I'm trying to tell is I was teaching and doing my job before, but there was a time I realized that I cannot just be a software tester. I have to concentrate on my teaching because I was lacking more teaching rather than testing the softwares. So
Okay.
then I quitted my job and continued as a full time. So uh,
You
I, I,
combined both the, yeah,
yeah, so I mean, from
your
almost
teaching
many
as well
years, I was
as
doing both of them parallelly.
yes. Okay.
But then I
Got
realized that I'm not able to give my 100% to my students, those who were present in my class, or those who had taken my course. So I quitted my job of software tester and continued my teaching career.
passion for teaching. Okay. Got you. Thank you.
Any one of you have any question that you want to ask me? Any kind of question, can ask me if you want to. I will be your partner for the next 4 months. So I'm just making you comfortable with me, right? So that you don't feel shy tomorrow to ask me any question, right? So for that reason, I'm doing it. This journey of 4 months is not easy, right? If I tell you very frankly, it's not going to be so easy, right? I mean, those of you are thinking that just by paying a certain amount of money, tomorrow you will become automation engineer. I hope you got the point, right? I mean, you have to work hard, right? Paying certain amount of money and believing the fact that I will get a package of 24 lakhs per month. It's hard, right? You have to work harder, right? So just because it's a beginning, I'm making sure that you all are comfortable with me so that from the upcoming classes, you will have a freedom and you will be free to ask any kind of questions and you won't shy from public speaking or in front of many other students who are present, right? So any one of you want to ask any question? If yes, go ahead. Yeah, Vaibhav, go ahead. Oh, I can't hear you, Vaibhav. I'm not able to hear you. What about others? Others are able to hear Vaibhav? No. Okay.
No.
Okay. Anyone else have any question for me? If yes, ask me, or else I'll start. Okay. Let me give you more introduction about the course, guys. Watch out. Take it very easy. I know this is just your first class. Take it very easy. I will expect few things from your side that you must do it always. I'm expecting few things from you. Some things like I want all of you to be on camera when I'm teaching. I don't like teaching people those who are off camera, right? So I will request all of you to be on camera for the next 4 months when I'm teaching, and don't neglect my words. I mean, if you neglect my words, there are chances that job will neglect you tomorrow, because everything that I'm teaching, I'm telling you for your benefit, right? Because this batch is not just going to teach you core Java and Selenium, but this batch is also going to teach you a lot of things that any book cannot teach you, right? So some things like how to behave in front of other members once after getting a job, how to talk in front of people, and also this will help you to overcome the fear of speaking in public, right? So I will request each and every one of you to feel free, right? Be on camera, talk with me when required, but do everything in a limit, right? Limit means there are way how you can talk with me, how you can unmute yourself, how you can question any question if you have, right? So we need to follow the ethics, right? Why I'm giving this idea to all of you, because the way you will speak in the real interview tomorrow can help someone identify whether you are a real candidate or a fake candidate. I don't want any one of you to get a tagline tomorrow that you are a fake candidate because of your behavioral skills, right? So over a period of time, I will teach you those behavioral skills that you must follow over a period of time. There are some behavioral skills that I may teach you today. Something that you need to be on camera always when I'm teaching, and uh, do not attend my class with mobile. In first class, I don't care how you have attended this class with mobile, tablet, or how, doesn't matter. But I'm telling you, from the next class, I want people to be present from your laptop. That will be good for you. And try to sit on the chair and table, right? Try not to keep your camera down and you are watching the camera like this, or you're keeping the camera like this, right? Certain kind of behaviors can help someone to identify that you are a fake candidate, right? So you must follow that, right? So someone is trying to ask me some question in the chat. Let me just reply. I want to ask one question. Can you read my message? Hello, my voice is not audible to you. Utkarsh, I really can't hear you, but if you have any question, tell me. Your voice is not audible. Others can hear me? Others can hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
Okay, watch out.
Manish.
Yeah.
Okay, watch out. So guys, this automation testing course, which you all have taken, automation testing, right? It is going to run for 4 months. Exact. So that means you need to be patient enough to learn things for 4 months, right? Sometime days are going to be very excited when you will be very excited to learn something new. And just because the course is going to run for 4 months, right? Such kind of time can come in the class when you may feel bored, right? So what I'm asking is, please be excited for the next 4 months, because this particular course can change your life, right? If you really focus and do hard work, right? Such kind of medicine I don't have, using which you can eat it or drink it and you will get a package of 24 lakhs, right? So you have to work hard, right? This course, you guys need to work hard, right? When I talk about work hard, that means in this course, every day I will be giving you a lot of assignments. Assignments has no end as a part of this particular course. I think by the moment your course will get over, you will have approximately 300 questions that I will be giving you as an assignment that you might have to do after as a part of this course total. Other than that, when your course will get over, I will be giving you 200 extra questions. Many of my previous candidates have admitted the fact that most of the interview question comes only from this 500 questions that I will be doing, and I will be giving you as a part of assignments, or I will be giving you as a part of 200 extra questions, which is called as the full bundle of questions of software testing consisting of core Java and Selenium. So you make sure that you guys are doing the assignments. How you guys need to do assignment, I will let you know. Don't worry. Other than that, guys, after every classes, not in the first 5 classes, no, but from the 6th class, you guys will also have the cross KT session. Cross KT session means cross knowledge transfer session, right? Cross knowledge transfer session means you guys have to talk about the particular topic that I would have already taught in the class with someone. Someone means who are a part of this particular course, right? So I hope, let me do it and show it to you. Just give me another 10 seconds. I'm going to show you something. Can you see now? You might be able to see one message would have come on the bottom of your screen. Probably breakout rooms are now open. Can you all see that? And you will be having
Yeah.
multiple breakout rooms, right? So guys, these
Yes.
breakout rooms will be provided for all of you, where you guys can do the cross KT session. For doing cross KT session, our meetings will be open for almost 15 hours a day. So in these breakout rooms, you guys can do the cross KT. I understand that some of the students here are from different country. Some of you are doing call center job, some of you are doing tech support job, some of you are a developer too, some of you are as automation tester too, some of you are a manual tester too, some of you are jobless, some of you are just 21-year-old, some of you are still in your 4th year engineering, right? So these are the background of different students who are in this particular course. For that reason, our cross KT rooms are available for 15 hours a day, which will help you to learn the particular concept by discussing those concepts with your peers, right? Peers. Peers means your group members, right? In this class, you guys can see the number of students are 62 as of now. In this 62, 4, 5 are my team, right? So you don't have to worry. So peers. So you with the help of them, you can do the cross KT session, and after every 10 classes, you guys will be having exams. A total of 12 exams to 13 exams will happen as a part of this course. Now, I'm pretty sure some of you will feel very happy that at least they are taking 12 to 13 exams, right? At the same time, I also understand that some of you might be feeling that, oh, you are planning to make it as a school, right? Some of you might think like that. See, guys, if any one of you here don't want to write any exam, you can simply let your mentor know. Your mentor, email ID, I will give it to you. You please don't worry. So if you guys don't want to write any exam or you don't want to submit any assignment, right? You can let your mentor know and he is not going to disturb you at all, right? That's a one set of students who think that writing exams, attending cross-KT session is a waste of time, right? But other member who think that writing exams are good, attending cross-KT sessions are good, writing every exam, viva writtens are good, please do it, right? At the end of your course, we will be making one report card for all of you, right? A report card which will have every result of your every exam, right? So as a part of this course, you will have 12 to 13 exams, including viva. You will also have to go through viva exams, right? Those students who will be completing this 12 to 13 exams, those who will be passing it, those who will be attending the viva exams, right? They will get a chance also to work on the 2 projects as a part of this course. So by the end of this particular course, nearby ending, you will also be working on 2 projects. One will be on e-commerce application and one will be on airline application. So these 2 projects we will be doing it. Those students who are able to complete the 2 projects, those students who are able to clear their viva exam, they will also get the certificate, course completion certificate. It is going to be ISO certified certificate, right? So yeah, now this is the overall idea about this particular course. And as a part of this course, if you guys have any kind of questions related to video upload, or if you guys have any kind of questions related to the study material, or you guys have any questions related to the, I'll give a chance to talk. Don't worry, let me complete. And as a part of this course, if you have any doubt regarding the video and assigning, whether it is really assigned to you or not, right? Some kind of doubts, if you have, feel free to mail to this email ID called as contact@grotechminds.com. So if you guys have any kind of questions related to the video upload, study material, right? Registration on mobile application, right? Or any kind of such things, you can always mail here on contact@grotechminds.com. I can assure you that you will get the response within 12 hours maximum, 12 hours, right? If it is office hours, you will get it within 3 hours, right? And if you want to talk with someone from my team directly regarding any of your concern, you can simply call to this mobile number called as 8009-900-785. Yeah. So this is a mobile number on which you guys have to call. And after calling, you can press 2. Once you press 2, a girl will pick your call whose name will be Karishma. So she's also going to be your student counselor who will help all of you. How those who want to join any organization after completing this course as a experienced candidate, how you can go as an experienced candidate. Karishma is your student counselor who will guide you how you can go as an experienced candidate, right? But counseling is only applicable for those students who will be working on projects, viva, exams, assignment, and ISO certified certificate, right? So it is only applicable for those students who will be completing everything, right? So these are the few things that I wanted to tell you, because if I don't tell, then students keep pinging on some different groups or somewhere directly to me, which is not going to make any kind of impact, right? So if you mail here your problems, if you call here your problems, if your issue is not getting resolved, you can always put it in your group, right? So I hope you all are in this WhatsApp group called as Automation Batch 41, Grotechminds. Are you all there in this WhatsApp group?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
As I can see that not all of you are there in the WhatsApp group, as I can see that. So those of you who are not in the WhatsApp group, you guys can check your email, your Gmail, right? To your email ID, we have already sent one welcome email. So once you check that welcome email, everything is written. You guys can You guys can go through that. You will get an idea, right? And so now talking about the particular course, which is your automation testing. As a part of this course, you will be learning how we can automate a web-based application. Right? As a part of this course, you guys are not going to learn how to automate a mobile-based application. Some people don't have knowledge, so that's why it is my duty to tell you in advance, right? Selenium does not automate a mobile-based application, right? Selenium can only automate a web-based application. Selenium cannot automate a standalone application. So I just want to tell this to all of you so that you guys should be aware of it in your first class. That as a part of this course, you will be learning how to automate a web-based application, not how to automate a mobile-based application, not how you can automate a standalone application. Those of you don't know what is web-based application? Web-based applications are those applications that you can access from. Can someone answer me? Web-based applications are those
Internet.
applications which you access from?
Website.
Internet.
Browser.
Internet.
Browser. Browser. Wonderful, guys. Let me take you to a website. Watch out. I want to take you to a website. Want to show you something. Is my speed fine, or am I going faster?
No, it's fine.
No,
It's fine.
No, sir, it's fine.
You guys are able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the official website of Selenium. It's written very clearly here. Selenium automates browsers. That's it, right? When I say Selenium automates browsers, I can also say that Selenium can only automate a web-based application, because web-based applications are the only application that you can access from browser, right? What are mobile-based application, guys? Can you guys answer me, please?
The applications we can access from mobile. Only
Yeah.
mobile-based applications.
Yeah, those applications that you access from mobile, or those applications that you downloaded from the iOS store or Play Store. You guys agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Standalone applications are those applications which require no internet.
Internet.
What is the best example of standalone application, guys?
Calculator.
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 MS Office.
Camera.
Notepad. MS Office. Angry Bird.
Okay.
Calendar.
Yeah. So standalone applications are those applications which require no internet, something like your camera, something like your calculator, notepad, and alarm. There is an application called as
Yes, sir.
alarm in your mobile, right? It required
Yes,
no
sir.
internet connection. Okay. So this is what you guys are going to learn as a part of this course. Now coming to this automation testing. For any kind of automation testing, it always needs two things. One is called as language, and one is called as tool. One is called as language and one is called as tool, right? So tool that we are going to learn as a part of this course is called as Selenium. I just showed you the official website of Selenium. The official website of Selenium is selenium.dev. If you are thinking that if you visit to this website called as selenium.dev, you can learn Selenium from selenium.dev website, then the answer is no. Selenium has no official document written. Just letting you guys know in the first class. Because if you tell to your friend tomorrow that, hey, do you know I'm doing automation testing course? So he may ask you some question. And so you should know some basic things so that you should be able to tell to the person in case someone is asking you. It may be your company manager. It may be your company peers, right? So you should know a little bit about Selenium. Selenium official website is selenium.dev. and it has got no official document, right? Now this Selenium can be automated with multiple languages we have in the market. One of the most famous languages we have in the market with the help of which you can automate Selenium are Java, Python, JavaScript, ROR, Ruby on Rails, PHP, C hash. With the multiple languages today, you can automate your Selenium tool, right? But as a part of this course, what is the combination you guys have selected? Java with Selenium, right? Yes, you can also learn Selenium with Python, JavaScript, Ruby on Rails, PHP, C hash, right? So this is what we will be learning as a part of this course. Now you may ask me that, Manish, while doing automation testing course, why Java is separately required and Selenium is separately required? Probably you may have such type of question, right? Guys, if you see over the internet, we basically require two things. Let me guide you this. One is called as client and one is called as server. Guys, no matter which application, but you always need two things which are called as client and server, right? What is client? The one who make request. What is server? From where you get response. So guys, as long as you are sitting on the internet, you always need the client and the server. What is client? Who make request. What is server? From where you get the response. Now guys, I want to ask you a question, a general question, which has no relation with your software testing. By the way, it has relation, but don't worry. Can you see, now I'm talking something and you guys are able to hear it. Can you see, whenever I'm talking and you guys are able to hear, we are utilizing some client and server. Are you able to understand this? What I'm trying to tell, whatever I'm talking here is not directly reaching it to you. It is first going to the server of Zoom. And after my voice, whatever I'm talking, guys, whatever you do over the internet is called as request. It's called as request. As of now, whatever I'm talking, maybe I'm saying my name, Manish Kumar Tiwari. Yes, it means that I have made a request over the internet. What request? I'm saying my name called as Manish Kumar Tiwari. Whether it will be accepted by the system or it will be rejected by the system, who will decide that? Server. Who's the server? Zoom server. Today we are sitting on Zoom application. So Zoom application server will either accept my request or reject my request, right? So whatever I'm talking, it is first going to the server of Zoom application. In every server, there will be some code installed or code present in it, which is going to analyze my input. Input means whatever I'm talking. And based on what I have spoken or whatever I have said, it is going to understand it. And based on that, it is going to give the response. And that response, who is able to hear? You. This is how we are able to take this class on Zoom application. Similarly, your WhatsApp application. Today, if I send you hi message on your WhatsApp, do you think the message will directly go to you? Is that your understanding? No. This is not how it works. Whatever the message that I'm sending on WhatsApp to you, it is first going to the server of WhatsApp. They are trying to understand that what Manish have said, and based on my input, they are sending the request to you, right? What I'm trying to tell in this world, whatever is happening over the internet, everything is happening because of client and server. What is client? Who make request. What is server? From where you get the response. Now tell me, when I'm sending one message to all of you on WhatsApp, let's say the message is hi, who is my client? Can you tell me, please?
The target. whom I'm trying to send?
No, I'm asking when I'm sending a hi message on your WhatsApp group, I'm making use of which client?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp client.
The WhatsApp application that is present in my mobile is the client for me, right? Similarly, guys, some of you having the background noise, kindly mute yourself. Ankita. Okay. Similarly, guys, some of you would have connected to this class by two ways. Some of you would have been connected to this class by downloading the Zoom application in your laptop or mobile. Are there such categories of students in this class? Tell me. Are there some students in this class who have downloaded the Zoom application in your laptop or mobile? Yes, no?
Yes.
Some students have downloaded. That means your client is that Zoom application. And there will be some students present in this class who would have not downloaded the Zoom application, but they are connecting to this class with the help of URL directly pasted in the browser. So are there some students who are connecting to this class directly from the browser? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Some
yes.
students have done that too. Okay. Those students who have connected to this class from browser, your client is browser, right? So what I'm trying to say, guys, as I have explained you that to do everything over the internet, there is a need of the client and the server. What is client? Who make request? What is server? From where you get the response. Guys, if someone will ask you that why there is a need of doing automation testing course with Core Java and Selenium, I mean, if someone really want to understand why Java and Selenium, why not, why it is always Java and Selenium? Why Java Selenium or Python Selenium? Why we always distinguish the two? The reason we distinguish the two because in this Java and Selenium, one is client and another one is server. Okay. So guys, your language is your client. What is the language as a part of this course?
Java.
Your
Java.
client is your language that you'll be utilizing as a part of this course, who will actually be making a request. Request means what? Like launching a browser or like closing a browser. And your server is going to be Selenium server. Selenium server. Okay. Let me show you something. Watch out. Hope you are able to see my screen. Now, what I will do, I will take you to the download option of Selenium DEV. Here I will show you that the official website of Selenium, it says that it is Selenium server, which you can download the server from by clicking this link called as 4.18.1. If I download this, I will be able to download the Selenium server in my laptop. Guys, whatever I have said you today, I will be repeating it again after 40 classes. Don't worry. But yeah, after 40 classes, I won't be explaining so detailed because I have explained you a little bit now. So I'm just letting you guys know that as a part of this course, the reason we are separating your core Java and Selenium, because one is client and another one is server, right? Client will make a request, server will give the response, right? Getting idea? Okay. Watch out. So if you guys have understood this, then let me tell you that as a part of this course, you will be able to automate any kind of scenario, like no matter the scenario is component scenario, no matter the scenario is integration scenario, no matter the scenario is system scenario or acceptance scenario, or it is a smoke scenario, or it is a regression scenario, right? So various types of scenarios you will be able to automate, right? We'll talk more about this kind of things in our upcoming chapter, don't worry, right? Now, guys, I'm expecting few things from you. Some basic knowledge you must have that you have studied in your school days. Remember, in school days, we have learned what is circle, what is triangle, what is rectangle. I need the basic knowledge from you because some students don't even know what is leap year. So it becomes very difficult for me to talk with them. Are you getting my point? As a part of this course, I won't be telling you what is vowels. Are you guys getting my point? Do you all know what is vowels?
Yes.
Yes,
That's
yes,
what I'm
yes.
saying. I'm expecting some basic knowledge from
Yes.
you. Am I expecting more? If I expect, I'm expecting you should have a knowledge of vowels, area, triangle, circle. Am I expecting more?
No.
No.
With me or not?
No,
God
no.
promise, I want to tell you,
Yeah.
there are
It's
some
very basic.
students, guys, on the final Viva, they will tell in the Viva exam that, oh, I don't know what is a triangle and what is the formula to find out the area of a triangle. Guys, such things are very basic. Guys, so what I'm trying to tell that 6 standard things I won't be able to teach. If your expectation is that I should teach you the area of a circle, that I can't, right? I'm expecting all of you to know that area of a circle is pi r square. I'm expecting all of you to know the area of a triangle is half into length into breadth. I'm expecting all of you to know the difference between the area and circumference. Are you guys getting point? Such basic knowledge you must have. I want all of you to know that in leap year, there will be 366 days. In non-leap year, there will be 365 days. I want you guys to know this. I want you guys to know today what is even number, what is odd number. I want all of you to know today what is prime number, right? I want you guys to know some English words like palindrome. If you guys don't know, I will teach you. Don't worry, right? Some English word like palindrome, right? I'm expecting you guys to know the meaning of iterator. Iterator means something that repeats, right? Guys, basic English knowledge, basic GK knowledge, basic maths knowledge that you would have studied in your 6th or 7th standard till 10th standard will be utilized as a part of this course. Are you guys getting?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
See, guys, when I will be starting your course, right, I will be teaching you first the hardest way to solve any problem. But as we will proceed ahead, I will teach you how you can solve the same problem in an easiest manner, right? So when I will be starting your course, I will be teaching you how you can solve this problem in the hardest way possible, right? Hardest way possible because you guys will be starting to learn for the first time, right? You must know how you can solve this problem in the long way, right? But before we will proceed ahead, we can solve the same kind of problems in the most easiest way too, right? So there is a possibility that over a period of time, you guys will understand that the same problem can be solved in 4 to 5 ways, right? It can happen, okay? Guys, if any one of you communication skill is not good, please work on your cross KT session. Please talk, please try to do the cross KT session with someone who don't belong to your state. Are you guys getting my point? I mean, if I'm from, if let's say, if any one of you, if any person is from Maharashtra, that person communication skill is not good, avoid doing cross KT session with your Maharashtra state people. Try to do with some North Indian or some South Indian. I'm giving you an example, right? Try not to do cross KT with the same category of state people, right? Try to come out of it. Why I'm telling you this? Because even after telling, they do the same thing again and again. And in the real interview, many students what do whenever their real interview will be scheduled, right? On that day, they will sorry, I met with an accident, right? Such thing will happen if you will not work on your communication skill. I'm not joking. I'm telling you, promise on God, it will happen with those of you who will cheat themselves by not doing cross KT. Let me tell you, on the first day itself, even after doing the whole course, if you will not have the if you will not have the confidence in you, why you will not have confidence in you? Because you have never spoken anything in front of anyone. You are shy. The only thing you have learned is hiding face. Are you guys getting my point? I'm not joking, guys, really. It will happen. Because today you guys are learning automation testing. Guys, if software developer is shy, right? He can survive. But if tester is shy, she cannot survive. Are you guys getting my point? A software tester have to be bold. Bold means someone who can express his words in front of anyone, just the way I'm expressing my words in front of you, right? If developer is shy or not bold, he can still survive in the IT industry. But testers will not be able to survive in the IT industry if they are not bold and if they are shy, right? So those who are shy, my friends, please overcome the fear of shyness and try to be on camera. No one is going to judge you, the type of dress that you're wearing, how old or new dress that you're wearing, what is the color of your face. We are here to learn, right? I will request each and every one of you. This is your first class. 80% are off camera. I'm not saying anything, but as time will pass, I will request each and every one of you to please be on camera so that you can learn things, right? If you will not do cross-KT session, let me tell you, on the day your interview will be scheduled, you will tell to the HR that, sorry, I can't come today. Promise, guys, this is the story of my many fresher candidates. Even after learning course, they will not have that confidence in them to attend the first round of interview that probably just 5 kilometers away from their house. They will not have that confidence in them. That's why I will be shouting as a part of this course to do multiple times cross-KT session, come out of fear, write multiple exams, right? That's why we will be conducting your Viva exam too, right? So my request from all of you is please do it. Will you be able to?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Okay, fine, guys.
Sure.
So guys, as we will be learning Java, so definitely today I cannot teach you how to write a Java code. Frankly speaking, it will take some time for you to get started with Java, to understand some rules and regulations of Java language, right? Those who are learning for the very first time, you guys may take some time to get started with Java. But the one who is doing cross-KT session every day, the one who is watching the recorded video every day, the person who is maintaining the notes every day, right? That person can do wonders, right? So if you guys have a dream of getting a job as automation tester as soon as after completing the course, guys, I have never seen any person who have done the whole effort as a part of course and have not got the job. Are you guys getting my point? Right? The person who is putting efforts is definitely getting a job. You know who is not getting job? Who is not writing the exams? That person is not getting job, the one who never came for Viva exam. The person who are telling that my health is not good today, so I will not be writing exam, they are not getting job, right? So my request from all of you is don't do this, right? Try to revise things, right? Don't give such reasons to avoid writing exams, right? It will really benefit you, right? So as I told you that as a part of this course, the knowledge, the language that you will be learning is called as Core Java. And to write Core Java program, we have so many editor tools available in the market, right? So we have so many editor tools available in the market. Are you guys getting the meaning of editor tools means what? Where you will be typing the code, right? Where you'll be writing the code, right? So we have so many editor tools available in the market, right? So the tools that I'm going to utilize as a part of this course is called as Eclipse, right? If you want to utilize some other editor tool because you are more confident about it, utilize it, no problem, right? Some of you may ask me that, Manish, I'm more comfortable in Notepad. You can get started with Notepad also, right? But I wouldn't recommend that because after getting a job, you will not be working on Notepad, right? Guys, as a part of this course, I will teach you how you can run a program from Eclipse, which is going to be your editor tool. As a part of this program, I will also teach you how you can run a program from your operating system. Do you guys know what is operating system? In your laptop, there will be some operating system, right? Like the operating system that I'm using is called as Windows 11. Some of you will be using Windows 10. Some of you will be using Windows Macintosh. Some of you will be using maybe Ubuntu, right? So no matter which operating system you have, you can also run the program from the command prompt. Do you guys know what is command prompt? In your laptop, there is command prompt. I mean, those of you don't know, don't worry. So what I'm trying to tell is a part of this course, you will learn how to run the code from Eclipse. You will learn how to run a code from command prompt. You will learn how to run a code from CI/CD tools called Jenkins, right? From all these three, you can run your code, right? So let me download the Eclipse for you. Shall we? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys.
Yes.
Guys, those of you are learning Java for the very first time or any programming language for the very first time, I will request you, please look what I'm doing on my screen and never ask any person to share the link with you to download the file which I will be sharing with you today, okay? I want all of you to watch how I'm doing it, and I want all of you to do in the same fashion by yourself. Never ask anyone to provide you the link so that you can directly click on download and install it, right? Watch out. So guys, all of you have to go to Google. I'll come to someone's laptop, don't worry. You guys have to go to Google and type Eclipse Oxygen download. Guys, once you click on Eclipse Oxygen download, this is the version of Eclipse that we will be using as a part of this course called as Eclipse Oxygen. You can see these two websites. One is called as eclipse.org and one is called as project.eclipse.org. Either of these two websites are fine. You can download the Eclipse Oxygen from these two websites. Any one of them is fine. So let me click on the first link, which is called as eclipse.org. And here you can see eclipse.org downloads Oxygen, right? Once after coming here, you can click on this download button and let me do it for you. Yeah, once you again click on this download and yes, now it is downloaded in your laptop. So it is currently getting downloaded. It is 130 MB, right? So I'm repeating everything again, pay attention. I won't be sharing you any link. Watch out, do it, because after getting a job, don't think that your peers will be sharing the link with you. You have to do it by yourself, right? Showing you again, watch out. All you have to do is go to Google, type Eclipse Oxygen download, open the first link or second link, choice is yours. And on the right side, you can see the download button, right? Orange color, click on it and click on this download. Your Eclipse Oxygen will be downloaded. Any one of you want me to install in your laptop? In case yes, who have downloaded it, can share the screen. I can install in your laptop. So there is a green colored shared screen button present on middle of your screen bottom. By clicking on shared screen, you can share your screen. Those of you want me to configure in your laptop. Anyone? Anyone wants me to?
Yeah, it is getting downloaded for me. Was downloaded.
Okay. Any one of you are downloading with me? Just confirming.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Still, I'm sharing some links in the chat because I understand that some of you cannot go to Google now because you guys are in this class. So I have pasted the Eclipse URL in the chat. You guys can simply click on it and download it.
So I have one
want-
question.
Yeah, tell me.
We can download any of the version or only Oxygen we need to download?
I guess Eclipse Oxygen is better because it don't have some compatibility issue that you may face
Okay.
with other version of Eclipse Oxygen. So Eclipse
Okay.
Oxygen is something that I will recommend.
Okay. Okay.
But in case you have any other version also, I don't think you will face any kind of problem for the initial 40 classes, but you may face problem the moment Selenium will start.
Okay.
Is it downloaded for anyone? Want me to install? Watch out, guys. So since it is taking time for you, let me explain one small topic. Pay attention. Guys, when I downloaded this file, it is downloaded in my laptop now. And I want you guys to see its extension. Can you see the file extension? What is the extension here?
.exe.
Guys, tell me one
.exe.
thing. Are you guys able to see where my cursor is? Just asking.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So guys, you can see I just downloaded the Eclipse Oxygen and the extension is .exe. Okay, wonderful. Let me talk about .exe. Watch out. Okay. Watch out, guys. I'll just teach you one small topic which will take less time. And then if time permits, I will install it in your laptop. Please focus. Let it get download. Meanwhile, watch here. So guys, you just downloaded one Eclipse Oxygen file and its extension is .exe. So guys, to understand this, you must know these three things, which is called as code, build, and application. Who will be writing the code? Can you guys answer me, please?
Developer.
Developer will be writing the code. That's beautiful. What is build? Let's discuss. Guys, when developer will write the code, right? Developer will compress the code. Compressing the code means reducing its size. Okay. So developer will compress the code, and after compressing the code, developer will also compile the code. What is compile means, I won't be able to explain now, but I will be able to explain you after some time. Don't worry. Developer will also compile the code. As of now, I can only tell you that compiling the code means no syntax error. Okay. After writing the code, developer will compress and compile the code. When developer will compress and compile the code will become
Build.
Build.
Tell me. You guys have downloaded just now one Eclipse Oxygen, right? Do you think it's a build? Do you guys
No.
think it's a build?
Yeah. Application. Applications.
No,
No application.
Okay. Okay.
When
That's fine.
is started?
So let me tell you, you guys have downloaded the build, not application. Okay. Because after build, when you install it, it becomes application.
Application.
Okay. What is build? I already said you, build is nothing but the compressed and the
.exe
compiled
file.
code, right? Now this build can have various versions. Like some of the build you might have seen in extension called as .exe. Some of them you would have seen like .zip. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Zip.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
sir.
You might have also seen something like dot. I'm not sure you guys would have seen this, but
JPG.
there is one more portion called as dot tar, and we also have one more extension called as APK. We also have more extension like dot VAR, right? So these are the various versions or extensions that we can have for any kind of build. So you guys have just now downloaded one build, and once after downloading the build, our job is to install it. The moment you install it, it will become the application. Now, one final question to you. So you all know what is Play Store
Yes.
Yes.
or iOS Store?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure you all would have gone to the iOS Store and Play Store after buying your new phone, whenever. And then the first application you would have downloaded is called as WhatsApp. Am I right? Probably.
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me, when you download WhatsApp from Play Store or iOS Store, you guys download build or application?
Application.
Application.
Build.
How you guys are giving the wrong
Application.
answers?
Build. It's build.
I just now said you guys. Today I have downloaded Eclipse Oxygen and that is build. Have I installed it? No.
No.
Once after installing, it will become application. Now tell me one thing. The moment you download WhatsApp, have you not seen the moment you download it, first it will get download in your laptop, in your mobile, and after getting downloaded, it will start installing. Right? So every application that you download from the iOS Store and Play Store, you will first download the
Build.
and after you download the build, it will automatically start to convert that build into application. Getting some idea, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine, guys. I will teach you then how to install Eclipse in the next class. Is that fine?
Yes.
Can you guys please download it and make it
Yes,
ready?
Manish.
Yes.
Yes.
Please download it and keep it ready. Guys, after every classes, I will be sharing feedback form with all of you. Now, don't think that just because it was the first class, so I would have given my best, and in the next class, I will be giving my 10% of it. It's not like that. There are different students here from different batches. I'm the same in every batches. How you're watching me today, I will remain same for the next 90 days or 120 days. So don't think that I have given something extra to you today. No, right? For that reason, I will be sharing the one feedback form to all of you every day. And you guys have rights to write anything of your choice. You all have freedom to write whatever you want to. Okay? Shall we meet tomorrow then?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
Thank you, guys. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night, and let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manish.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
And good night.
Thank you.